Okay, so just a quick video for version 0.3 alpha. This one introduces an xEdit script for users that want to use that instead of the plugin, or you can use both. It won't hurt to use both. So let me just show you how to use this script. So just go ahead and download it and install it to the scripts folder in your xEdit folder. Uh, Basically, just load all your plugins and just right-click any plugin you want to apply the script to. So just click one and press OK. Select the script from the drop-down menu after you install it. This one's dynamic NPCs. Press OK. And now I have something pulled up here already. So you see this right here, Pan NPC males 2, 3, and Men of Winter. You can add more files. But basically, what this is doing, it's that for the face gen stuff, there's not going to be any kind of merging going on. What's going to happen is that any ESP below the other one will take priority for any NPCs that get edited for face gen parts. So that goes for skin, that goes for head parts, that goes for tints, um, and it will take full priority over the one before it. So let's say you install the pan ones as the base, so that you have another one. Let's say like a specific Serana um, uh, overhaul or remake that somebody makes. You can just load that afterwards, and that Serana will look exactly how the author meant to be. So this is basically like a way to create compatibility patches without compatibility patches. So so here up top, you can select the patch mode, press all loaded plugins, so you can merge all those plugins and do all the conflict overrides and stuff, and the patch mode for selected plugins only. I don't recommend using this one very much. Just go ahead and use this one here, unless you want to create patches between certain things, which this plugin's not super useful for. But yeah, just go ahead and put all loaded plugins. And after you choose all the stuff you want here, just go ahead and press OK. Give it a file name. So I'll just give it NPCs males. I'll press OK, and it's going to tell you the priorities, and it's going to start giving you information on what's being merged, what's being added, what's being removed, what's being changed, and what's being overwritten over here. So just wait for it to finish. Okay, so just ignore these right here. These were just some test ones. These are all don't have actual records. Let's just focus on the one that we made just now. Just go ahead and open it and open this. And as you can see, you're going to see a bunch of merged ones. I'm not going to claim it merges perfectly, but let's go over a few just so you can get a better idea. So let's go to Advar over here. And as you can see, hold on, let me roll this back. As you can see here, AR Overhaul goes over to the new NPCs males that we made. Things carry over, like his confidence carries over, his AI package carries over here, and let's see, and the hair changes made by or the changes made by Pan NPCs get carried over as well. For this one here, let's look at another one here. AR Raw gets carried over. There's not much to this one. You can see it gets carried over, merged properly. Looks pretty good. This one here, Erica, is probably a better example. You can see he gets modded by AI Overhaul, Men of Winter, and Pan NPC Males too. So you can see that his skin gets carried over by Men of Winter because that's what we decided to be the priority mod. So you get that gets carried over. AI Overhaul gets carried over too for his packages there. His other packages here get carried over as well. And his head part overrides NPC Males 2 completely, so that way Man of Winter is winning this conflict, even though Pan NPCs is loaded after. So again, this is a way to kind of create patches without creating patches by just making a simple list of what you want to actually win for how the NPCs look. And on top of that, all the other stuff gets carried over too, so or merged properly. So it's looking pretty good. Yeah, you could just basically go down the list and see that it actually does a good job merging. And it's not The SKSE plugin also follows the same logic, or at least very close. I kind of try to, you know, work on them in parallel. So I'm pretty positive that they work exactly the same. But I do rely on people reporting and reporting issues to improve the plugin, improve the mod. Without people's input, without their bug reports, it doesn't really improve because I can't replicate everybody's problems because everybody has different setups. So yeah, so basically going down the list, you'll see it actually does a really good job here. So yeah, that's basically how you use the xEdit plugin, and hopefully you got some information, some useful info here on how this mod works for the SKC DLL type or the xEdit patcher type.